Hi, I'm Chers. I'll be cooking fried chicken. This is drumstick. I already seasoned it with different seasonings. I will put it in the link below. So this is the breading here that I make. I will put that in the description box below too. So let's fry some chicken. When we coat the chicken, we make sure everything is coated with our breading. So you kind of like that. And then one by one, you gotta braid them. We don't want eggs in our breading because what happens is your chicken will have a lot of breading in them. We just want to coat the seasoning in it. It has flour and some seasonings. I don't like chicken that is a lot of breadings in them. So, but just flour and some seasonings. Continue until we're done here. This is the chicken that I breaded. It's ready to put in the oil. I already preheat the oil here. It has 2 or 3 cups of canola oil. You can use any oil you want, vegetable oil, peanut oil. So I use canola oil. We drop it there. I'll continue breading with this chicken while it's cooking. Chers Fried Chicken. My children love fried chicken. Just leave the chicken in there until it turns into a golden brown. I put them in a high heat first just to crispy up the skin. Then after that, I will lower it down to medium to cook the inside of the chicken. Because if you don't, full cooked chicken can make you sick. So make sure your chickens are fully cooked. You don't want to eat raw chicken. Madali lang to, quick and easy. You season your chicken with seasoning. I put mine garlic powder, salt and pepper, onion powder, paprika, cayenne powder. With a little bit of kick to it. So, tapos na ako nag-breading yan. Lagay ko ng dressing. handling chicken, make sure you wash your hands clean because we don't want bacteria in it. Make sure you wash them before you cook them. You wash them, or you wash your hands when you handle the chicken, and just to avoid sickness. That's my tip. Please subscribe my channel of Chers Fried and Style. That's my YouTube channel where I share my recipes, my DIY, and beauty and health tips. Frying chicken, you have to be patient with it. You don't want to hurry up because to avoid the raw chicken inside. And you don't want it crowded when you fry chicken. There's a room for each one of them, so they'll be crispy. Just the time, flip them this side. I take my chicken, I duplicate this chicken. I flip each side. After 5 minutes, I flip them again. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.